see.
Completely dry. Dry weight.
See what it says.
236.2.
Okay, let's try it one more time.
We got 242 the first time, a couple of times, initially. So we'll see it again. We are using a bathroom scale.
So here we go. Get it light up.
It's lit up. I touched it. See, it's got a person beside of it. I think you can actually change the settings to something. It has air, so you have to redo it.
Without the block of wood, it didn't go all the way down.
Oh yeah, there is no block of wood. You're right. Last time the block of wood.
What is that?
Air.
Okay, here we go. All right. What's it say?
All right, dry weight is 238 exactly.
So it did 238 twice.
238.
So that's a little bit less than what we got the first time.
We got 242 the first time.
We got two 238s.
But twice we've gotten 238. That's right.
What are you pointing the camera on the ground?
Oh, for a second.
13 pounds heavier.
13 pounds heavier.
Well,
Okay, we had 14 pounds a
no.
while ago.
The Rieju's 13 pounds heavier. It's 13 pounds lighter.
Yeah, the Rieju is 14 pounds heavier.
We don't have bark busters on this bike. We don't have a shark fin. We do have the factory skid plate. So this bike will end up a little heavier. Pushing it around the shop, it doesn't feel any different. It actually feels a little lighter pushing it around.
And we are using a person weight. It has a little person beside of it. So you could tell.
They don't have a dirt bike setting on that.
I bet they don't.
Yeah. Yeah. We did get the carbon fiber model though.
We did.
Bathroom scale. Yeah.
Carbon fiber, of course, with the nice black and red Rieju.
And something interesting, this bike when it jacks up, this frame is level with the ground. The KTM not. It won't jack up perfectly level like this bike.
I know, that's true.
Don't know why. Okay.
Wait, that was the one bike we just weighed, correct?
Yeah.
That was the KTM? Okay. Well, you have a couple other orange ones over here, I forget.
Yeah, well, I want to do like for like. We can, the 4-stroke's not even going to.
Careful.
4-stroke will be heavy.
And I've got the camera crooked a little. I don't want my finger in the way. I mean, you're able to maneuver it just fine.
It rolls better than new. I don't know why. New bearings.
So this is a enduro bike.
They both are.
Trials bike, kind of like this is a trials bike. The Montesa that you just got. But this also says, like, it also has these little pieces on the side for scratch protection. That's pretty cool on both sides. It says it's Scratch Saver by Lenny Racing.
So
it's got a piece on each side.
look at the camera. Look at the phone.
Oh, I flipped it. Oh, I'm so sorry. My bad. I'm used to my. We can edit it. Anyway, they have these Scratch Saver by Lenny Racing on both sides. This piece is on the side. Love the seat. And see, here it is.
It definitely has some good features with the bike. I've definitely rode heavier bikes in my past, so.
That's nice. I like the big gold chain.
Does it remind you of Boys in the Hood or something?
Yeah. It just really makes it go blue. The champagne color.
So online it says it's 200 pounds.
Online it says it's 200.
Yeah. So they're a little off.
It is a beauty. So beautiful. Top of the line. It's right up there, right next to KTM 300 gas. And there is a little backstory to that.
And just imagine. Just look at the destiny.
I know, 10 years. It's been 10 years, right?
That's a 2011, and that's a 22. So
2011.
I mean, obviously.
Brand new bike. It's gonna ride pretty much similar to the KTM 300.
Hopefully it
But
rides
brand
better
new.
because it's got diamond treated forks on it.
It does. I like the headlight and the tail light on it as well. I mean, that's a pretty cool feature. That is a cool feature. I'd be ready to try this out in a race, but I don't want to scratch it. But to see how it rides compared to your KTM, I'm excited for you. That's going to be fun.
Right now it's probably
All right.
stiffer. Everything's new.
Oh, yeah, you have to break it in.
Everything's new. Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll save some video for her, or we can get another memory card, but for when you actually ride it.
That one moves.
Are you going to take it for a ride?
No, not now.
I mean, not tonight, of course, but on camera? To see how it goes, take it for a run?
Sometime.
Okay, cool.
I still got to put oil and...
All kinds, I know. We got it together, though. You did.
Mm-hmm.
We got it pieced together. All right. Rieju